Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi TTS. I'm forgetting what it is there. The first thing we need to do is make sure your Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It's already come up. That's what this is called, the mobile in here. So click on that. Bluetooth pairing request, pair, and on here we've got to click accept. Does this pin match the pin on your Bluetooth device? Yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, and that's it done. It's a whole lot simpler pairing a phone than it is deleting one. And there, it's just said that it's set up for audio and for calls. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is connected to the MMI. Would you like to set Audi Connect up now? Well, I don't. We haven't got time, but that's it.